Section 1.6, number 38. We're given two functions. In this case, f of x is x over 2. G of x is the square root of x. And we're told to graph fg and f plus g in the same graph. Then we're going to figure out which one of these things contributes most to the magnitude of the sum in a couple of regions. Okay. Now first off, when we're adding these functions, it's about as nice as it gets, right? We just take our first function, our x over 2, we add it to our function square root of x. The graph of this thing is in red. The graph of x plus 2 is in blue. That's a linear with a slope of a half. And our square root is in green. G for green. All right. So when we add these things up, certainly one of these things is going to have more to contribute to the magnitude than the other. With the sum, it's whichever one is largest. Okay, so in between 0 to 2, it looks like the square root is above our linear, right? The green is above the blue, and so when we add them up, the larger one is going to contribute more. Right, so in 0 to 2, it's the square root of x that's going to have the dominant contribution here. Above 6, the one that's on top is our linear. Right, the square root has this nice gentle curve to it. It kind of flattens out a little bit. However, our linear always goes up the same way. So that's going to be largest in the region larger than 6. So in this region, it's going to be the x over 2 that's going to dominate in that region. And we're done.